I use this tool every day, and for the longest time, I only used for gaming until I had to actually use Qwen 3.8, and which I needed more RAM on my system. And the funny thing is, I had the RAM. However, I could not use it because it was being used in the background. And this is where this tool comes in. This is not a sponsored video, and this tool is actually amazing. So inside this tool called Razer Cortex, there is 3 features that frees up your RAM, making the background apps that you have on your computer stop working when you set it to work on the gaming mode. It will boost your FPS, it will make your PC faster, and it will free up a lot of RAM. Basically, I could cover anything about this tool, but I want to cover 3 features inside this tool. So the first one is the game booster. This is where the magic happens, guys. So we want to use this in order to increase our RAM. So if you go right here, as you can see, I have so many things open, even editor open. I'm currently using 59% of my CPU. And if I disable this, this is going to go up because this, I just released RAM, and this helps out, on things you have to do. So basically you have to set this, and the way I did it, I went through every single tool here. I enabled and disabled, as you can see, and I asked Claude to verify if everything was set correctly, and this is the best setup for me. So when you press it over here, I'm just going to do the test for you. It's going to start open different applications, because what it does is stops applications, and as we disable, all the applications are going to start opening again. And as you can see, the PC even gets heavier and it's still doing its thing. So this is one of the things. So when you press boost it, what it's going to do is going to release RAM, and I got up to 6 gigabytes of RAM. It just depends on the day. It depends on how much you've been working, but as you can see right now, it's getting 5 gigabytes of RAM. I have 16 gigabytes of RAM and just released 5. So you just see how crazy this is. The computer even feels faster. But let's go to the second tool, which is this one right here. I have already pressed to scan it. So basically it's going to scan everything. It already detected 48 gigabytes of junk files to clean up. And this is crazy, guys. So let's clean this up. Now it's cleaning. It's going to release 50 gigabytes of, temporary files, whatever the case might be. And the third tool is this, which I have set to automatically optimize my computer. So as you can see, every time when I turn my computer on, you automatically optimize and speed up my PC. So it found 73 items that was already optimized. So congratulations, your system is now optimized. So again, this is not a sponsored video, but this is a tool that I used for years, but I only used for gaming. And when I actually need it for running local LLMs, I realized that, I need to share this with you. So I invite you to try it and put down below comments what results do you got, and if you have any questions to set it up, I'm going to be replying to all comments. So yeah, I see you next video. Thanks so much. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.